let's see how to get more leads and sales using social media comments. So in this example, I'm going to actually explain how to turn your Instagram comments into leads and sales. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to generate more leads for your free masterclasses. So this might directly apply for any kind of webinars or even any other free stuff you actually offer for your customers. So let's see how this actually works. So this is actually triggered using a keyword Instagram comment. So that means you can actually ask a particular customers to comment a specific word in your reels or even carousels or even simple Instagram post, and based on that comment we are going to trigger the automations, sending them if they're actually interested to get what you are going to offer. And from there we are actually going to collect their email within the Instagram DMs itself, and after that we are going to provide the link to the masterclass as well. So this is how this actually works. So let me show a live demo to give you a better understanding of how this actually works. So let me show my phone screen over here. So here we are in the Instagram. So we actually set the keyword class as this is actually related to masterclass registrations. We simply set the keyword class to trigger the automation. So let me open any kind of post. So you can actually select specific post for specific kind of automations as well, but in this demo we actually set the automation in such a way to work with any kind of post on our Instagram. It may be a reels or even simple post. So let me choose one post over here, and let me simply comment the keyword class. So we actually set the keyword class over here, and let me see how this actually works. So I have just commented the keyword class over here, and let's see what happens. So it says DM sent. So this particular page, Chatting Media, simply respond to me saying DM sent. So let me simply open the DM over here and see what happens. So it says, hey you, I am excited to send you the replay of the Wealthy Creator Masterclass. Click the button below to get started. So as I mentioned, this is related to masterclass, so that's why it says a replay of the Wealthy Creator Masterclass. It's awesome, friend. Before I send you the free training, I need to go through the motions to make sure I know everything where to send your info. If this is the first time we are connecting, tell me your first name. It simply asks for the first name. So let me provide a random first name, Jim, over here, and see what happens. Awesome, Jim, and your best email to send you the free training. And it simply asks the email as well. So let me provide the email as jim@gmail.com just for the testing purposes as well, and see what happens. Perfect. Just confirming that you will get my emails at jim@gmail.com. As you see here, it asks me for the first name, and after that, even after entering the email, it's actually double confirm whether this is the right email. So once I confirmed my email, let's see what happens over here, and it says, hey, yay, here it is Jim, and it asks me to click this particular link to watch the replay of the masterclass, and also it says, can't wait to hear what you think. So if I press this button, it simply open the masterclass link over there, and they can simply watch the masterclass over here. So that's just a quick demo over here. Let's see how to set this up over here. First, as you remember, we actually trigger this particular chatbot flow using the comments on Instagram. For that, you have to go to tools, and here we have this Instagram comment automations. So when it comes to Instagram comment automation, you can actually trigger the flow based on specific keywords, those kind of things. So here we have this free masterclass Instagram comment automation. Here, as I mentioned previously, you can select a specific Instagram post or reel as well. Here we actually select all post, and private reply to the comment. So when someone actually comments a specific kind of keyword, we want to send this kind of message for the customers. This is actually a flow. I will show that particular flow over here. So it says a lead generation through free masterclass, and that is the flow we are actually sending them when they actually comment a specific keyword. And also, as you remember, we also got the public reply to comment as well. So it says a DM send you a DM, those kind of things. So this can be randomized based on what we have already set up. So they also receive a comment reply as well, which is public, and also DM in the private as well. And for in this example, we actually want to trigger the particular chatbot only when they comment class. So when we comment class, it's simply activated. And for more, there are also more options. You can actually trigger this particular chatbot flow or automated DM message immediately, or you can simply wait a few seconds, minutes, hours, or you can simply randomly send these kind of automation within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, those kind of things. So there is a lot of possibilities over here. Now let's look at what's the kind of private reply to the comment. So that means what we are actually sending in the DMs. So as you remember, when we actually comment that particular keyword class in a particular Instagram post, we receive this kind of message: hey you, I'm excited to share the replay of this kind of masterclass, ask them to tap on this button, let's do this. And after that, we actually ask them for their first name, and also we actually ask them for the email as well here, and we confirm the email. And here we also do, what we are doing is we actually sending the data to the Google Sheet as well. So here we have that particular Google Sheet over here. As you see, Instagram username, it simply captures the username, the first name I provided Jim, and jim@gmail.com. So this particular email data can be easily exported to your emails, CRMs or email campaigns managers such as Active Campaigns or any other tools you are using at the moment to send email broadcast as well. So you can even send emails within this particular platform as well. So here, if you use this send email option, if you have connected your email over here, you can directly send emails as well. So as a next step, if you want to send this kind of email, you just need to set up the subject, pre-header, and content of the email, and you can simply send this kind of message as well. And let's say if you want to send a follow-up message to this particular customer in like 1 hour, promoting any other offers, or within like 24 hours, you can do that as well. So here you can send any kind of promotional messages, text within the Instagram DMs as well. So there is a lot of possibilities over here when it comes to converting your comments to leads and sales. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.